Hello my loves, welcome back to Zeke's Lunchbox. This video, we're gonna chat about my 2020 goals. Stay tuned at the end of the video because I do have a freebie for you guys because I just want to thank you guys for sticking with me this year and sticking with me for my whole YouTube career in general. To be quite honest, I feel like I need to give back to you guys just as a little thank you while I work out how to do this thing that is my career of making art and content creating. Before we head into it, like and subscribe and let's get into the video. This is such an extensive list, I don't really know where to start. Let's start off with the tarot card project though. I would love to launch the Kickstarter for the tarot card project. I don't know how achievable that is going to be. I know one thing is for certain, I will finish the majors this year, 100%. That's definitely getting done. I'm hoping if I have an average of 2.5 cards every single month, then I should have the majors done by February, March, April, maybe May. So that's gonna be exciting. And then I'll catch you guys up on another video when we get there of what my plan is for the minors, because the minors are gonna be a little bit different. So that's a goal. That's like a loose goal. I've been trying to get a lot better at giving myself realistic goals so I don't overextend myself. So that is goal number one. There's not really a list for this. I'm just gonna spit out some goals. Then I would love to hear what your 2020 goals are. Pop them in the comments below. I'd love to chat to you about your goals for the new decade that we're about to embark on. Ugh. I know this is a little corny, but I have a thing where I try and have a yearly theme. This helps me just to relay back to things that I want to achieve that are like the biggest priority. It's almost like having a little mantra to relay back on so you can kind of think like, does this adhere to my yearly theme? So an example of that is my yearly theme for 2020 is consistency. I've gotten to a point where I pretty much have the same things that I need to do every month. That is updating my shop, making YouTube videos, making content everywhere online, and also making art and doing design work. So I really have like 5 things that I need to do in a month that are consistent, and I'm hoping that can just constantly get ahead. So that's my yearly theme. I highly recommend for you guys to make a yearly theme. I just think it helps you clarify exactly what you want to do in that year. My yearly theme is consistency. I really just want to like pump out a lot of content and artwork in 2020. Another goal is to refine my systems. Because I just mentioned that I have to do the same things every single month, I'm hoping that I can really figure out a good routine for everything. This routine may be like batching everything, filming everything, making sure my thumbnails are all made at the same time. I'm hoping that this refinement of my systems helps me be consistent. See those connections I'm making? Another goal I have for 2020 is a new website. Y'all, I've been researching how to have a higher converting online store. There have been quite a few things that I've learned about what my website should look like. This has been an area I've been really lost on for quite some time. So that's gonna be a massive task. That making a new website actually puts a bit of a wrench in my consistency systems routine. But yeah, I'm gonna try and figure out when that should all be. Another goal that I have is to be more strict about my days off. I did mention in my 2019 highlights that I was pretty successful at being strict about that, but I feel like I should be even more strict, like turn off my phone sort of strict, you know, like really plug out. So I'm hoping I can try and achieve that a little bit more, because when I do have those days off, I am hungry for work the next day. Another goal I have is to get on a couple more social media platforms. I'd like to start getting on TikTok and making some proper content for TikTok. I want to make some content for LinkedIn. I also want to get on Twitter. I just feel like I've been really focusing a lot of my time on YouTube and Instagram, but I'd like to focus more energy on different parts and pockets of the internet. You never know who may see it. I just don't think I'm on the internet quite enough. Another goal is to keep making merch. I have to figure this out. I don't know how often I should be dropping merch. Merch is something that I've been like really trying to figure out. I will focus more time and energy into it once I have my new online store. I think that's all my goals for next year. I don't want to overburden myself with goals. It gets really overwhelming, and if I have a really tight list, I can just really focus in on the task at hand. Those are all my goals. I hope that's been interesting. I hope I actually achieve a lot of those goals at the end of 2020 to revisit this video and see what I achieved. So that freebie that I was talking about, I have a PDF downloadable for you guys. If you fill it out, you'll get a kind of similar result of what I have just mentioned in my goal list. Yeah, give it a go, see what it's all about. For my patrons, I'd love for you guys to go through this and we can discuss it in our Facebook group. Yeah, chat about all of that stuff further. If you'd like to discuss your goals with me, consider becoming a patron. At the $2 tier, you can join the Facebook group and we can chat about your 2020 goals and go from there. That's it from me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I really hope you have an amazing 2020. Thank you so much for being here. I'm excited for 2020. I'm really hoping it's just more of the same. I don't want like big, massive changes. I just want this year, but bigger and better. Fingers crossed, if I'm lucky, that'll happen for me. So if you got any value out of this video, if you found it entertaining in any way, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing because in 2020, I will be releasing a video a week, okay? I swear. Okay, you guys, catch you in the next one. Have a good new year. Bye.